Hello kids, today we are going to see about exercise 1.1 multiplication of fraction, division of fraction in word problems. Let us take one example, example 18. The question is, in a juice shop, if a man prepared 1 into 1 by 2 liters of juice from 1 kg oranges, then how many liters of juice can be prepared from 12 into 3 by 4 kg of oranges? Okay, in this word problem they are given, okay, if a man prepared a juice, okay, 1 into 1 by 2 liters, 1 into 1 by 2 liters of juice from how many kgs? 1 kg of oranges, okay, 1 kg oranges. Here we have to find the how many liters of orange, how many liters of juice, how many liters of juice can be prepared from 12 into 3 by 4 kg of 1 kg oranges we can prepare 1 into 1 by 2 liters of juice, then 12 into 3 by 4 kg of oranges, then how many liters can be prepared? Okay, so the quantity of juice prepared from 1 kg oranges, okay, 1 kg of oranges. So here 1 into 1 by 2 liters, 1 into 1 by 2 liters. The quantity of juice prepared from 1 kg of oranges, that is 1 into 1 by 2 liters. So here we have to find the quantity of juice prepared from 12 into 3 by 4 kg of oranges, okay, kg of oranges. So the quantity of juice prepared from 12 into 3 by 4 kg of oranges, that is 1 kg of oranges, we can prepare 1 into 1 by 2 liters. So 12 into 3 by 4 kg of oranges, that is 12 into 3 by 4 multiply, and use the multiplication, okay. So 12 into 3 by 4 into 1 kg of oranges we can prepare 1 into 1 by 2 liter. So 12 into 3 by 4 into 1 into 1 by 2. So here the two fractions are mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, first we have to convert it to the improper fractions, okay. So 12 into 3 by 4 into 1 into 1 by 2 we get, so 12 multiple of 4 plus 3 divided by 4 multiple of 1 multiple of 2 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, whole number multiple of denominator plus numerator divided by the denominator. Okay, so solve this. So 12 fours are 48. 12 fours are 48. 48 plus 3 we get 48 plus 3 equal to 51. So 51 divided by 4 multiple of 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 2. Okay, so 51 by 4 into 3 by 2. Okay, so multiple this 51 multiple of 13. So here multiple the numerator as well as multiple the denominator. So 51 multiple of 3 we get 153. Okay, 153 divided by 4 2s are 8. Okay, 153 divided by 8. Okay, so 153 divided by 8. So dividing this we get the answer. So 153 divided by 8. Okay, so 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16. So 1 8s are 8. Remaining, that is 73. Okay, 73. 9 8s are 72. Okay, 9 8s are 72. Remaining 1. So we get the answer is the 19 into 1 by 8. Quotient into divided by the remainder. Divided by the remainder, that is 19 into 1 by 8 liter. So we can prepare 12 into 3 by 4 kg of oranges. So we can prepare 9 into 1 by 8 kg liter of juice from 12 into 3 by 4 kg of oranges. Okay, 19 into 1 by 8 liters. Let us take another one problem. The example 22. A rod of length 6 meter is cut into small rods of length 1 into 1 by 2 meter each. How many small rods can be cut? Okay, how many small rods can be cut? A rod of length is 6 meters. A rod of length is 6 meter cut into the small rods. Small rod of length, that is 1 into 1 by 2 meter each. Okay. Then how many small rods can be cut? Then how many small rods can be cut? So here the number of small rods. The number of small rods equal to the rod of length is 6. Okay, 6 divided by 1 into 1 by 2. Okay, 1 into 1 by 2. So here we are using the division of fraction. Okay, so 6 divided by 1 into 1 by 2. So okay, so first we have to take the reciprocal of the given fraction. So that is reciprocal of division is multiplication, and then we have to convert it to the mixed fraction into the proper fraction first. So that is 1 into 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2. And taking the reciprocal of the given fraction, that is 3 by 2. So that is 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Then solve this. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Okay, 2 3s are 6. So 2 multiple of 2 we get 4. Okay. So the number of small rods equal to 4. Okay, the number of small rods equal to